Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So I'm going to go with you guys in the S&P 500. Again, this is the SPY, and the question is, why exactly did we have this bouncing? We have been going over this throughout the whole week. As you guys can see, we were oversold, and as you guys can see, we were oversold once again. And again, we did have higher lows as we were oversold on the RSI, showing us those bullish divergence on that continuation on higher. And as you guys can see, we did continue on higher on the day because of these bullish divergence, again getting higher lows here on the RSI as we had lower highs here on our price action, showing us these bullish divergence, and we did have the continuation on up because of that. Now the question is, how much strength do we have on this bounce that we had here, and can we continue on higher? What exactly gives us a signal that we can continue on higher going into next week? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Now before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button, and if you do not want to miss any of our market updates or our potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week, hit subscribe. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts all throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, again, we got our confirmation on our bullish divergence, again, getting lower highs here on our price action as we did get higher lows here on our RSI, showing us that confirmation on that continuation on higher and that shift in momentum. And as you guys can see, our RSI has been pointing up. We did mention our confirmation would be breaking above our previous peak when we jumped out of oversold, and then we did continue on above that, and we did get our confirmation on that continuation on momentum, and sure enough did continue on higher. Now the question is, do we have room to run to the upside? As you guys can see, now we are testing the lower end of our 20-day moving average to see if we can jump above it, to start to respect it, to see if we can continue on higher. As you guys can see, previously we did jump above our 20, we did not respect it, and we did continue on lower. So we're looking to see if we can jump back over our 20 to start to respect it, and then continue on higher with our 20 jumping back over our 50. That would be the move that we're looking for as far as a continuation on higher, and to possibly test the upper end of our channel here. Now we have been keeping track of one large indicator, and that is our EMA lines here on our MACD. We did mention that our EMA lines started to point up, looking like they may want to cross, and we do get again higher lows here on our EMA lines, and we did have that triple divergent, again higher lows upon higher lows upon higher lows, getting that cross here on our EMA lines, and looking to see if we can again cross above the median of our MACD to make sure we do continue on with that strength. But again, if they do cross, that will be another move that we have to the upside. And we did mention a couple of days ago that we did have again our decrease in sell pressure to the downside. We had our white shaded line coming in, and we did get that decrease in sell pressure to the downside, and so we did have that continuation on higher today. As you guys can see, we are not getting a large increase in buy pressure quite yet, but as you guys can see, our EMA lines are crossing up, looking to see if they can cross above one another to see if we can get that strength to get that buy pressure that we're looking for here. So we're going to keep an eye on the MACD here to make sure we do get that confirmation on crossing and increasing in buy pressure. And to recap on our Bollinger Bands, again representing compression and decompression, we did mention a couple days ago that we did get that rejection on the lower end of our Bollinger Band, and as you guys can see, we did continue on with that rejection on the lower end of our Bollinger Band to have that continuation on higher, and again getting that continuation on that decrease in sell pressure on the MACD to confirm that momentum to the upside. However, again, looking for that continuation on momentum, looking for those EMA lines to cross above here, and as you guys can see on the RSI, we are pointing up, still looking to see if we can get above the median of our MACD to see if we can continue on into overbought territory. So again, we are pointing up. That does show us that we still could continue on higher. So we're going to be looking for a possible continuation on higher going to next week above our 20-day moving average, and then looking to see if we can respect it from there. Now again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, or even a weekly watch list, a daily watch list that we mention every single day throughout the week, a major breakout, for example, with TBLT from yesterday's daily watch list, continued on higher today on over 30% breakout in pre-market, and then broke out another 10 to 15% during the day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, much love to everyone. You guys, hope you guys do have a nice weekend. We will continue to go at it, stay patient, taking what the market gives us, and again, hopefully the market does pick up going into next week with this bounce back that we had. And again, all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, again, very nice bullish divergence that played out this week. If you guys did see exactly how that played out, you guys must keep that in mind. Use that on the 5-minute chart, use it on the 15-minute chart, use it for intraday perspective moves. If you guys are looking for bounces, you guys want to see confirmed bounces on intraday plays, again, just look for these bullish divergences as well. Very much do use this during the day when I am day trading. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.